Have you ever wondered how AI can recognize faces, understand speech, drive cars, or generate text? How does a computer learn to do things that normally require human intelligence? The answer to all of this is something called neural networks. Neural networks are the technology behind ChatGPT, image recognition, voice assistants, self-driving cars, recommendation systems like YouTube and Netflix. In this video, we're going to explain neural networks in very simple language. By the end of this video, you will understand what a neural network is, how it learns, what neurons and layers are, how neural networks make decisions, why neural networks are so powerful. Let's start with the big idea.
The big idea.
A neural network is a computer system inspired by the human brain. Your brain is made of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These neurons connect to each other and pass signals around. That's how you think, recognize faces, learn new things, and make decisions. Scientists tried to copy this idea and build it in a computer. That's why it's called a neural network, because it's based on neurons. And it's called a network, because many neurons are connected together. But here's an important point. A neural network is not a real brain. It's a math system that learns patterns. So instead of thinking, it calculates. Instead of understanding, it finds patterns. And that pattern-finding ability is what makes AI so powerful.
Artificial neuron.
Let's understand the most important part first, the artificial neuron. A single artificial neuron is very simple. It does three basic things. It receives inputs. It does a calculation. It produces an output. Think of it like a tiny decision machine. Example: imagine you are deciding whether to carry an umbrella. Inputs: is it cloudy? Is it humid? Is rain predicted? Your brain takes these inputs and makes a decision. Yes, take umbrella. No, don't take umbrella. An artificial neuron works in a similar way. It receives numbers as input. It multiplies them by importance, weights. It adds them together. It produces an output. So a neuron is basically a small math formula. One neuron is not very powerful. But when you connect thousands or millions of neurons together, they can do amazing things.
Layers in a neural network.
Neurons in AI are organized into layers. There are usually three main types of layers. Input layer. This is where the information enters the network. Example: if the AI is recognizing a picture, the input layer might receive pixel, values, colors, shapes. Hidden layers. These are the middle layers where most of the learning happens. They are called hidden because we don't directly see what they are doing. These layers detect patterns, combine features, learn complex relationships. For example, in face recognition. First layer detects edges. Next layer detects shapes. Next layer detects eyes, nose, mouth. Final layer detects a face. Output layer. This is the final answer. Example outputs. This is a cat. This is a dog. This is a human face. So the flow looks like this. Input, hidden layers, output. This is how a neural network processes information.
How neural networks learn.
Now, the big question is, how does a neural network learn? The answer is something called training. Training works like this. Step 1, show the network an example. Step 2, the network makes a guess. Step 3. Check if the guess is correct. Step 4. If wrong, adjust the network. Step 5. Repeat millions of times. This process is called learning from mistakes. Just like humans learn. You try. You make a mistake. You correct it. You improve. Neural networks learn the same way, but using math. They adjust something called weights. Weights are numbers that control which inputs are more important. Over time, the network finds the best weights to make accurate predictions. This process is called training the model. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine we are training an AI to recognize cats versus dogs. We show the network thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. At first, the AI guesses randomly. Cat, wrong. Dog, wrong. Cat, wrong. But each time it is wrong, it adjusts its weights. After thousands of tries, it starts noticing patterns. Cats have pointy ears. Dogs have longer snouts. Cats have different eye shapes. Eventually, the AI becomes very accurate. But here's the important part. The AI does not know what a cat is. It just recognizes patterns that look like a cat. That's how neural networks work. Pattern recognition.
Why neural networks are powerful.
Neural networks are powerful because they are very good at finding patterns in large amounts of data. They are used in face recognition, speech recognition, language translation, self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, chatbots like ChatGPT, recommendation systems, fraud detection. Traditional programming tells a computer exact steps, but neural networks learn the steps by themselves from data. That's a huge difference. Old programming, if this happens, do this. Neural networks learn from data, make predictions. That's why AI is so powerful today.
Neural networks and ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is built using a very advanced type of neural network called a transformer. This neural network is trained on massive amounts of text, grammar, sentence structure, facts, writing styles, conversations, patterns in language. When you type a message, the neural network breaks text into tokens, processes them through many layers, predicts the next word, generates a response. So ChatGPT is basically a very large neural network trained on text. That's why it's called a large language model.
Simple analogy.
Think of a neural network like this. Imagine a huge factory. The input layer is the raw material coming in. The hidden layers are machines processing and refining the material. The output layer is the final product. Input, processing, output. That's a neural network. Let's summarize everything. A neural network is a system inspired by the human brain, made of artificial neurons, organized into layers, learns by adjusting weights, learns from mistakes, finds patterns in data, makes predictions. In simple words, a neural network is a system that learns patterns from data and uses those patterns to make predictions. Now you understand what neural networks are and why they are so important in AI. Neural networks are the technology behind chat image, recognition voice, assistant self-driving, cars, modern AI systems. If this video helped you understand neural networks, make sure to like the video, share it with someone learning AI, and subscribe for more simple AI explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.